In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect circle, how to make it look truly smooth, and how to adjust the segments if your circle looks a little blocky. This is a really useful SketchUp skill, especially if you want cleaner models, better looking parts, or more accurate 3D designs. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about something important. A circle in SketchUp is not really one perfect round shape made of one continuous line. It's actually built from a series of straight edges, also called segments. So if your circle looks blocky, that usually just means it doesn't have enough segments. The good news is, this is very easy to fix. To draw a circle, start by selecting the circle tool. You can do that by pressing C on your keyboard or by clicking the circle icon from the toolbar. Once the tool is active, move your cursor into the drawing area and click once to set the center point of the circle. This is the exact middle of the shape, so make sure you place it where you want the circle to begin. After you've set the center, move your mouse outward. As you drag away from the center point, you'll see the circle growing in real time. This lets you visually control the size before you finish the shape. When the circle looks about right, you can click again to complete it. But if you want a more accurate result, there's a better way. Instead of guessing the size with your mouse, you can type the exact radius. For example, you could enter 50 millimeters or 2 inches depending on your project. Then just press enter and SketchUp will create the circle at that precise size. This is especially useful if you're working on technical models, product designs, or anything that needs exact measurements. Now let's make the circle smoother. By default, SketchUp circles usually have 24 segments. That's fine for smaller parts, but if you're making a larger object like a 3D printed enclosure or a visible outer edge, 24 segments may not look smooth enough. It can start to resemble a polygon instead of a perfect circle. To increase the smoothness, select the circle tool again by pressing C. But before you click anywhere, look down at the measurements box in the bottom right corner. You should see something like sides, 24. This is where you control how many segments the circle will have. Type in a higher number like 60 or 100 and press enter. Now when you draw the circle, it will appear much smoother and more rounded. The higher the number of sides, the more polished the circle will look. This is a great trick if you want cleaner curves for rendering, fabrication, or presentation models. That said, you don't want to overdo it. If you set the segment count too high, like 500 or more, it can make your model heavier and slower to work with. That becomes a problem if you plan to use push/pull later to turn the circle into a 3D object. So for most projects, it's best to use enough sides for a smooth look without making the file too large. If you've already drawn a circle and it looks too jagged, don't worry, you don't have to redraw it from scratch. Just click the edge of the circle, which is the circumference. Then look over at the entity info tray on the right side of the screen. There should be a segments box showing the current number of sides. Simply type a new number into that box and press enter. SketchUp will update the circle immediately, and you'll see the shape become smoother right away. This is one of the easiest ways to refine geometry after the fact, and it saves a lot of time if you need to adjust your model later. Another really useful tip is finding the center point again if you lose it. This happens a lot when you're working with other geometry or wiring together parts in a model. If you need to locate the center of an existing circle, right-click the edge of the circle and choose Find Center. SketchUp will place a small guide point exactly in the middle, making it easy to line up other objects or draw from the center again. So to recap, press E to activate the circle tool, click to place the center, drag or type the radius to finalize the size, increase the number of sides for a smoother shape, adjust segments later through entity info if needed, and use Find Center whenever you need to recover the middle point. Once you know these steps, drawing perfect circles in SketchUp becomes fast, accurate, and much easier. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick SketchUp tips and beginner-friendly how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.